Hi guys, today is going to be interesting. If you're an hacker out there, today is for you guys. Or if you're an incoming hacker, maybe you are just new to the world of hacking. So this is a new stage, this is a better stage for you. And if you're an hacker and you are finding a way in order not to change your OS, which is your operating system, from Windows to Kali to Linux, this is an easy way to do it. Everything in this life have been made easier now because developers are very trying their best to make it easier. All you have to do is just have an internet connection, then have a Microsoft account. And if you don't have a Microsoft account, that is not a problem. We might just start from here. Just open your Microsoft store. Here, as you can see, this is my Microsoft store. Just go into Microsoft store. When you enter Microsoft store, let me start from the home page. So when you get to Microsoft store, guys, all you have to do is just type Linux. Oh, sorry, there's a problem with my PC. So when you get to Microsoft store, all you just have to do is just come to the search button here. As you can see, this is the search button here. Just come here, then type Linux, because Linux is the operating system for that hacker use. So they don't use Windows. Windows is not made for hacking, and even Mac is not used for hacking, but Linux is used for hacking. So all you have to do is just go into Microsoft. When you get into Microsoft, just download any of the one you like here. As you can see, there's Kali, there's Ubuntu. There are many hacking tools that are here that can be used for penetration testing. And mind you guys, hacking is not made for a bad thing, it's not made for a legal thing. This hacking that I'm talking about is an ethical hacking. So if you want to go outside there and start your hacking stuff, let it be ethical. So don't let it just be those black hat hacking. Let it be those white hat hacking. As you can see, there's even Oracle, like many Linux software that you need, many Linux operating system OS that you need. So let's assume you wanted to download Ubuntu. No, let's use Kali for example. Just come here. As you click on Kali, just come to Kali. Then when you click on it, then what you have to do next is just you pressing get. Once you get it, then after you get it finished getting it, then press install. Although the installation is going to take a bit of your time, but don't worry, it's going to download it for you because the approximation size is 163.1 MB. So when you get this, just download it, and then you are into the world of hacking, and that is all. So no need for you to be changing your Windows or any other thing like that because you wanted to hack. No, all you have to do is just start it like this. Just download the OS from Microsoft store, then start to be using it, and that is all. You don't have any problem. Like you won't even be configuring your PowerShell or CMD command. No, this one you just have to download. Like you download the other app, then you just start anything you wanted to do. Then guys, I think with this just little video, I think you really learned a lot of things. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, and I love you guys. Bye.